number 41731. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Marisela Cortesa, 30 years old, married to 2 kids, 9 and 10 years old. I have 4 brothers, and I am the youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am graduate as a vocational caregiving for 2 years.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to provide my children's good future and my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am, but I worked here in Philippines as a nanny for 2 years and a housemaid for 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
I can to get good care of them, take a bath, and feed them a food.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
I can to give good care of them, take them a bath, and feed them food.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook, ma'am.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can steam fish and vegetables, chop suey, and cook food like adobo and sinigang, Filipino food.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I can apologize and say sorry, ma'am.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a member of the family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you ever choose me like as your housemaid in Hong Kong, I'll treat you like a family, and I'll do my best to keep my good word. Thank you.